Is your Android phone stuck on the boot screen? Let's fix that with some quick steps. Hey everybody, this is Lucy with another video, and let's get to the video. So first, try a force restart. Hold the power button for 30 seconds until it shuts off. Then turn it back on after a minute. If that doesn't work, boot into safe mode. Hold the power button and when the logo appears, press and hold volume down and enter safe mode. Next, try wiping the cache. Power off, hold power plus volume down to enter recovery and select wipe cache partition. If nothing works, perform a factory reset. Remember, this will erase all data. And I hope this video helps. Like and subscribe for more Android tips.